Okay, this is chapter 4, lesson 4. We'll begin by going up to the application menu, picking up a file called C Match Properties 1. There is a 2, so don't pick 2. You'll pull up a file kind of like this with all the different colors and different hashes and things. We'll start by going into the windows, and you're going to want to match this window's properties to this one. Wait, you do that is go up to this the menu on the top in the home tab. So drawing clipboard panel, and you're going to click it. Click this click the object you want to change the properties of, and then you're going to click the object that is in the correct layer that you want the object to match. So there you go. That's it. All these other ones are in exactly the same layer. You can tell by going up to the top. Now you're going to focus on this door here. Now the tutorial says one way, and I'll show it to you, but it doesn't quite work with the newer version. So select your object. So you're going to go over here, you're going to click enter, you're going to right click, and notice how there's no settings. So what you can do, what you can almost always do, is you can type in match prop, and it will pull up this. You're going to click this as your source object. Then you're going to right click, and notice how that settings came up. Click the settings, take off the color, which is in the tutorial directions. Now you're going to click OK. Swipe across and a crossing polygon, press OK. Nothing really changed, but you get the point. You can always do that. So for this one, even though this hash will transfer, if you go like this, even if you go like that, it will transfer. Notice how that hash didn't transfer. So you got a problem. So let's go back. So let's think. The color transferred, but not the hash. So you go in to your Match Properties menu, or your Match Properties command in the command bar. Click the source object, right click, settings, you're going to click color. Make sure your hash is on. That's an important thing that needs to be on for this one. And now you're just going to go up here, click, click. Don't forget this one up here if you're zoomed in. Whoopsie. Back. Notice how I clicked that line. I just didn't want it in the selection set. So you can just redo the command. And you may have to do this a few times if you miss one or two, but you can actually press enter and it will redo the command for you without you having to go through this entire window again. And it can be quite helpful if you have to redo it a few times. So we have to match this to that. There's two ways of doing it again. You can click all these up here and get this one. Press enter and go down here. Notice how they matched. Or you can type in your match prop, and you're going to select this bottom one, enter, right, match. You're going to select this bottom one, select the destination, which is over here, just do your crossing, and there you go. Same thing, same result, and that's it. That's everything you need to know for this lesson. If you notice, this one has a more fancy of a layout. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you don't, well, you can just make a new layout. This one's even worse. No big deal. New layout. Simple layout, like you're used to. Put your initials in, export it. Do not